Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On today's episode I want to show you how I make roat and simple ingredient in this bowl over here. What I got is all-purpose flour, milk powder, full fat milk powder, cardamom powder, freshly ground, pinch of yellow food color, some granulated sugar, semolina, ghee, and milk. This is whole milk. I'm using everything full fat in this recipe just so this roat is going to taste so good. And we also need oil to deep fry. So to begin, I'm gonna start mixing all of this dry ingredient, and I'm also gonna add semolina and the sugar mix. I'm gonna add ghee. I'm gonna add half for now, half for later. Add the milk, mix, add a little bit, mix, then add a little bit again, and I'm gonna add the rest of the milk, a little bit more ghee, just add a little bit at a time, and then mix. I'm gonna switch my hand, turn into a dough. If you feel it is sticky, you can add a little bit of dry flour, and also the leftover ghee, add a little bit on top, and it just help prevent it from sticky. And now what I'm gonna do is cover it, let it sit for 10 minutes, and then we're gonna move to the next step. The dough is very soft. It's been 10 minutes. The dough was resting already. You don't have to let it rest if you don't have to. If you don't have time, just make it right away. So now I'm going to make small little balls. Okay, just roll it, and then not too thick, flat the dough a little bit, just like this. Okay, I'm gonna do everything. In the meantime, oil is preheating. Alright, just press it. Roll and press, just like that. Okay, so the heat is over medium, between medium and low heat. And now don't let the oil get too hot because of the milk powder. The roat can get too much brown on the outside and not fry on the inside. Just keep adding, don't add too much at a time, as the temperature gonna drop. I will suggest to take a fork and keep moving the roat, because you will see now when you turn it, it's already catching color. So if you don't move it time to time, and like you have to almost babysit this roat because of the milk powder. One side gonna get like very dark, and some side is not going to cook properly. So this is what we have to do. We have to keep flipping it. And the roat is going to take 8 to 10 minutes to fry, and it has to be golden color. And on a plate with paper towel. This roat smells so good. I can already smell the milky. I'm just gonna break one and show you. In total, you're gonna make 12. Depending on size. If you want to make bigger, like, then maybe you can get like 8. If you want to make this size, just divide them into 12 pieces, and then you're gonna get my size, like this size, like just like almost a bite size. So just break it, and I want to show you. It is to die for. It is like, I can't tell you how good this is smelling right now. I'm gonna put the written ingredient down below in the description box. Hope you enjoy this video and you're gonna try this, and do not forget to let me know how did yours turn. And I'm just gonna go take a bite, and I'm gonna leave you guys. See you next time. Bye.